In this video, I'm going to try to give you a little more explanation of your homework because I understand it can be a little confusing, especially if you haven't done homework online, like in an online program before. So when you log into Alex, every time you get into D2L, click on that Alex link in the nav bar, and then click into our course, you'll see this home page, and you can toggle between timeline and your Alex pie, and this shows you your overall progress in the class. This Alex pie chart does. So I've already been working on my homework since I took my initial knowledge check, so I can see kind of some lighter areas in the pie chart. That's showing topics I've learned, but I haven't yet mastered. So we'll talk about mastery a little later. So I want to continue doing my homework, so I'm going to click Start My Path. It might sometimes say Continue My Path or something. By the way, if I clicked here where it says topical, it's going to go to the same place. So these two assignments overlap. As you're completing one, you're also completing the other. So homework 1, I showed that I knew some of these topics already in my initial knowledge check. I actually showed mastery of those. And I still, though, have some. It looks like I have 4 left. That says 9 of 13 topics completed. So I have 4 topics left to finish homework 1. On the other hand, it says, for my topical, it says 3 of 10 topics completed. I still have 7 topics that I need to learn in order to get 100% for my topical. So let's leave that for now, and I'll go ahead and click Start My Path so you can see what it means to complete a topic. Okay, so this is a topic. Using distribution and combining like terms to simplify univariate. Univariate just means one variable. If you don't know all the words in something, it's not too big of a deal. Anything that is underlined, you can click on in the explanation to get more explanation. Sometimes it might be too much explanation. Also, when you're on this explanation page, that if you heard my dog, he's upset he's not getting any attention. When you're on this explanation page, you can click here where it says videos to watch a video that's from your ebook. It may or may not be something exactly like this, but it will be something that sort of supports this concept. You can also just go to your ebook, and so you can open up the section where this topic is covered in your ebook. And you may need to kind of scroll down to find kind of what they're talking about in this particular topic. Looks like I'm not there yet. Distributive property, combining like terms. Okay, so that's, and also distributive property. We're doing both, aren't we? Anyway, so there's also videos for each example here. These are the same videos that you see linked in both of these. Also, you can message me if you're just totally lost. Okay, so this is taking forever to load up. There it is. So you can just let me know like what it is that's confusing, or just tell me I'm completely lost. And it's going to tell me the topic you're working on. It's going to tell me exactly what you were looking at. Okay, so once you feel like you're ready to start practice problems, you just hit start. And I'm going to try and go through this pretty fast. So you should absolutely be writing things down. I've been a math teacher for a long time, so I can do some of this stuff in my head pretty easily. So let's see, negative 2u, well, not easily, I guess. I have to think about it. Plus 25. I think that's right. We'll see. Check. Okay, so I got that one right. So next. So I'm going to, oh goodness, I may have to write these down. Okay, so let's see. Negative 3x, negative 4x would be, I think we're going to have a negative 12x, and then negative 6 minus 22, I think that's right. Oh, no, it's not right. Okay, well, let's see. Negative. Oh, no, I multiplied 3 and 4. That was dumb when I tried to combine like terms in my head. So you can see if you get one wrong, then you're trying to fill up these boxes. You'll lose a box and you'll have to do it again. And you can always click on explanation to see the explanation of that exact problem you were looking at, to see how Alex worked it out. Okay, let's see. I might have gotten that 22 wrong as well. Okay, good. Okay, so now let's try another one. So this one's a little easier. Negative 2y, and then we have negative 2 minus 5, so minus 7. Okay, so if you get 2 in a row, you get double credit. So what that means is each topic, bare minimum, you're going to have to do 3 problems. So 5x, okay, so I think we'll have a negative 3x and then minus 10. Yay! So notice I got double credit again for that. So if you get anything wrong, though, even a careless error, then you'll have to do more than 3 problems, because Alex interprets that as, well, you need a little more practice. So if I click next, it's going to tell me kind of where I'm at. So I have just completed 1 topic. I have 3 left for this objective goal. And as I'm completing those 3, so objective goal, that's the homework 1. As I'm completing these 3 topics, I'm also going to be completing my topic goal, but I'll have to do a little extra. I'll have to work ahead to get my topic goal totally finished. Okay, so now I'm going to be working on another topic. And if I want, I can click this little tab looking thing, and it opens up what's called the carousel, and I can click on a different topic as long as it doesn't say locked. If it says locked, then it depends, like being able to do this topic, I need to know how to do these other ones first. But I could do this one, say. And so we've got the explanation page, blah, 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 and then start. And so now, once I get all the boxes filled up for this topic, that would be a second topic that I have completed in this homework, and towards my topic goal. At any point, if you you get through a topic, you get all these boxes filled up, but you don't feel like you really got it, you can always switch over to review mode. So you can click here where it says review, and this is where you can practice topics that you showed, either that you've already learned when you're working in learn mode, that's where we were a second ago, or topics that you showed you already knew how to do on a knowledge check. So you show that you've mastered something if you get it right on a knowledge check. So if I feel like I need a little more practice with whatever I was just working on, I can click where it says filters and click in this search bar. And I think there was something about distributed property, so I'm going to look, see, oh, it'd be good if I spelled it right. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I think this was the one it was. So it's good to write down whatever topic you're working on, at least, abbreviated, so that you can find it. If you have trouble with it, you can find it more easily later to get a little extra practice. And so I can look at the explanation for this. I can do practice problems. I have all the same things here. But if it says review mode, that's not making progress in my homework objective or my topic goal, but I am doing some good by reinforcing and practicing problems. So just you just want to know, you want to understand when you're working on something that works towards your grade versus something that you're just reinforcing. And I mean, it's definitely good to work in review mode. It's just that it's not affecting your grade in any way, or at least not directly. Let's see. I think that's probably good for now. Other things that you can do, if you find that you are let's see, maybe it's been a couple of days, and you can't remember what was that topic you were having trouble with, you can go to the reports page. So I clicked main menu and then reports. And then something that says activity. So this week's PI activity, so view full report. And you can then click on wherever you see kind of a bar in this bar chart. Then you can click on that bar, and you can find exactly what it was you were working on that day, and you can even see like what you got, where you got something right, if you got something wrong. If I click on these, it's going to show me what the problem was. If I click on an orange one, that's one that I got wrong, and so it's going to show me what answer I put in. So answer submitted and then correct answer. So like if you think you typed something incorrectly, you put in the same answer that Alex said, you can go, but Alex said it was wrong. You can go to this reports page and see if maybe it was just a typo, or something. I have yet to find where Alex actually marked a correct answer incorrect. I've had students say that, but then when we go look at it, it's like, oh, it was actually a typo, or something was a little different. Also, you can see where you looked at an explanation page. So lots of stuff that you can find out in Alex. You can see exactly what you've been doing. Okay, so I think that's probably good for right now. And this video is long enough. Okay, let me know if you have questions.